Here's why your brain can't focus for more than 10 seconds, and exactly how to fix it. Without deleting your phone or moving to the mountains, you don't need a productivity app. You need to stop training your brain to expect chaos, because every scroll, every tab, every notification is making focus impossible. And no, it's not your fault. Your brain is doing what it was trained to do. Jump, switch, avoid, repeat. But you can rewire it with just 3 steps. Step 1. Reset the loop. You can't focus because your brain thinks everything is urgent. So give it a hard reset. 1 task, 10 minutes, no distractions, even if it's boring. Especially if it's boring. Boredom is where focus is built. Step 2. Interrupt the impulse. Before you open another tab, check your phone or chase dopamine. Stop. Ask yourself, what am I escaping? Because half your distractions are just a way to avoid discomfort. Call it out. Then return to the thing. Step 3. Make it physical. Digital tasks are easy to abandon, so make it real. Write it down. Speak it out. Move your body. You can't scroll away from a task when it's sitting in front of you, staring back. Your brain needs friction to focus. You think you're bad at focusing. You're not. You're just surrounded by tools that profit from your distraction. But here's the secret. Every moment you catch yourself drifting and come back, that's a rep. That's brain training. That's the real focus muscle. So stop trying to feel motivated. Start getting uncomfortable. Because focus isn't about feeling ready. It's about learning to stay when your mind wants to run.